Welcome my dear 7th class students. We learned Bridge course, syllabus, 6th standard. We completed 14 days of syllabus. Today we learn Bridge course day 16. Today we learn decimal fractions. Decimal fractions. Students friend, first to 14 day of class 6 course has been completed. On the 15th day you have solved unit test number 1. Today we learn day 16 decimal fractions. This is unit test question paper. You solve this question paper. This is day 16. What we learn? We learn converting a common fraction into a decimal fraction. म्हणजेच व्यवहारी अपूर्णांकाचे दशांश अपूर्णांकात रूपांतर करणे. If the denominator of a common fraction is 10 or 100, it can be written as a decimal fraction. म्हणजेच छेद 10, 100, 1000 असेल तर आपण दशांश अपूर्णांकात रूपांतर करू शकतो. Write down decimal from given fraction, denominator 10. Here 6 upon 10, 12 upon 10 and 9 upon 10. 6 upon 10, we write down left side 0 and converting decimal fraction 0.6. 1.2. 0.0, write down left side 0, 0.9. Next, write down decimal from given fraction, denominator 100. When denominator 100, we write decimal fraction before two numbers. So write down 0, 0.92. 125 upon 100, 1.25. 52 upon 100, 0.52. When denominator 1000, write down decimal from given fraction. 1000, 2552, 2.552, decimal point given after three numbers 1, 2, 3 and write down 0 left side 0.628. Here numerator place two numbers, so we given two zeros 0.026. Here numerator place one number, so we have given three zeros 0.007. Common fraction converting into decimal fraction. When converting a common fraction denominator into 10, 100 and 1000 by multiply method. When denominator is not 10, 100 and 1000, multiply the denominator by another number and convert into 10, 100 and 1000. Write fraction into decimal form. Here denominator 5, 2 and 5. Here converting into 10, 100 and 1000. Converting 5 into 10, multiply by 2, 5 2s are 10, so multiply by denominator 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 0.4. This is decimal form, decimal fraction. Next, denominator 2, convert into 10 by multiply 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 upon 10, convert decimal fraction 0.5. Next fraction 8 upon 5, 5 2s are 10, so multiply by numerator 2, 8 2s are 16, 5 2s are 10, 1.6. Convert denominator into 10, 100 and 1000 by multiply method. 9 upon 2. 2 convert into 10, multiply by 5. So multiply numerator by 2. 18 upon 10. Decimal fraction 1.8. Next, denominator 25. 25 fours are 100. So multiply by 4. Numerator multiply by 4. 11 fours are 44. 25 fours are 100. Here denominator 100. So decimal point before two numbers. So 0.44. 9 upon 50 multiply by 2. Numerator multiply by 2. 50 2s are 100. 9 2s are 80. 18. 0.18. Here denominator 125. 125 8s are 1000. So multiply by 8. 8 5s are 40. Remaining 4. 8 2s are 60. 16. Remaining 2. 8 1s are 8 plus 2 10. 1000. Denominator is 1000. So multiply by 8 to 7. 7 8s are 56. Here decimal point is after 3 numbers. So 0.056. Converting a common fraction denominator into 10, 100 and 1000 by division method. म्हणजेच व्यवहार्य अपूर्णांकाचा छेद 10, 100 आणि 1000 याच्यामध्ये भागाकाराची क्रिया करून घेणे. And then converting a common fraction into decimal fraction. आणि त्यानंतर दशांश अपूर्णांकात व्यवहार्य अपूर्णांकाचे रूपांतर करणे. ही क्रिया आपण शिकूया. भागाकाराची क्रिया करून कसे करतात. Convert denominator into 10, 100 and 1000 by division method. 36 upon 40. 40 is in 4 number table number 4. So this numerator and denominator divided by 4. 4 9s are 36 and 4 10s are 40. 9 upon 10. This common fraction convert into decimal fraction 0.9. 64 upon 80. These two numbers into table number 8. So divided by 8. 8 8s are 64 and 8 10s are 80. 8 upon 10. Convert into decimal fraction 0.8. Next fraction 35 upon 50. These two numbers into table number 5. So divided by 5. 5 7s are 35 and 5 10s are 50. Converting decimal fraction 0.7. 81 upon 90 divided by 9. 9 9s are 81 and 9 10s are 90. 9 upon 10 converting into decimal fraction 0.9. Students, friends, today we have learned by example how to convert decimal fractions. म्हणजे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण दशांश अपूर्णांकात रूपांतर कसे करायचं ते शिकलोय. Converting common fraction denominator into 10, 100 and 1000 by multiply method. म्हणजे गुणाकाराची क्रिया करून छेद 10, 100 आणि 1000 मध्ये रूपांतर करणे शिकलो. And converting common fraction denominator into 10, 100 and 1000 by division method. म्हणजे भागाकाराची क्रिया करून छेद 10, 100 आणि 1000 मध्ये रूपांतर करायचे शिकलो. Solve these examples is into your notebook and practice them. Thanks my dear students. Stay home, stay safe, and study regular. Thank you.